Good day, everyone. My name is Ryan. I'm gonna talk you through a few things today for the Vice Squad. We could talk about this really super cool stonefly that I'm actually pretty proud of myself I come up with, but we're not gonna tie that today. What we're gonna talk about today is first off, man, it's been a while since I've sat in front of the camera. It's been a while. I hurt myself last year, and it took a long time for me to get better and to get healthy, and here I am. So, I feel weird being in front of the camera now. But what I'm here today to talk about is goodbye for a while. Anyway, we've all just kind of had a lot of stuff going on in our own lives and taking us in different directions, and really all I want to say is thank you to all of you that have followed along with this fun little journey that Rick sort of forced me into a bunch of years ago that I don't regret a single minute of. I've really enjoyed being along for the ride and being part of the adventure and coming up with neat things to tie, and hopefully inspiring a couple of you guys to either start tying or tie something different, get out of your comfort zone, because that's what I believe in is always tie better, tie more, tie whatever, tie weird stuff, tie what you want, tie what makes you happy, and hopefully I've been able to inspire one or even one person and make this all worthwhile for me. But I just want to say thanks to everyone, to Rick, for all the hours and hours and hours that he spends behind that computer putting all this stuff together to make it look good for us, to all the former members of the Vice Squad, Bryce, Adam, oh my God, Justin. There's so many of them, so many guys along the way, and to our sponsors, the past sponsors, and to our current sponsor, Anadramas. I cannot say enough about that company. They're a fantastic group of guys. Sure, they supply us with some awesome products, but more importantly, and which is really important to me, is the friendship and the camaraderie and stuff that comes along with it. And I know I've made some pretty solid friends along the way, and I'm going to get a little emotional here. And it's just a big thank you video. And if we ever decide to get things fired back up again, boy, I really hope that you guys would support us again in the future, and we'll see what happens. At any rate, I'm getting a little long-winded like usual, but again, just a mega, mega big thank you to everyone. Really appreciate every one of you that took the time to watch a video or make a comment, hit the like button and subscribe and all the rest of that stuff that goes with it. Thank you very much, and we'll see you down the road. Take care.